Elastic Block Storage EBS. It's a block storage volume for EC2. EC2 is a service from Amazon, and it stands for Elastic Compute Cloud, and it lets you run virtual servers in the cloud. So an EC2 instance can format, mount, and use it like a traditional hard drive. It is attached to a single EC2 instance in the same availability zone. So each EBS volume can be attached to only one EC2 instance at a time, making it ideal for dedicated workloads like a database server. It is persistent. It can survive instance termination. If you choose to keep the volume on termination, your data won't be lost even if the EC2 instance is stopped or terminated. It's designed for high throughput and IOPS. EBS offers volume types optimized for performance, supporting demanding applications like large databases analytics workloads. It can be used for snapshots and backups. So you can create a point-in-time snapshot of your volume, which is then stored in S3, and it can be restored or copied across regions. So let's take a look to some typical use cases where you would use EBS. So first of all, for databases, for example, MySQL or MongoDB, EBS provides a high IOPS and low latency, which is required by relational and NoSQL databases for consistent performance. We can use it as boot volumes for EC2. So every EC2 instance typically uses an EBS volume as its root device, holding the operating system and startup files. We can use it for transaction-heavy workloads, so applications that perform frequent read and writes like payment systems or logging services, they both benefit from EBS performance options. So which performance types do we have? We have the general purpose SSD, so GP3 or GP2. It's ideal for everyday workloads, and these SSDs, they balance price and performance for most applications. And we also have the provisioned IOPS SSD, so IO2 and IO1. It's designed for critical workloads, and they let you provision thousands of IOPS for demanding databases and latency-sensitive apps. And we also have the throughput optimized HDD, and this one is best for large sequential workloads like big data, data warehouses, or log processing. So thank you for following this lesson, and see you in the next one.